The Excel menu system is extensive and it can be intimidating at times. There's so many commands, not only on the Home tab but the Insert tab, Page Layout tab, all these other tabs, so many choices. You're relatively new with Excel, let's say, and you're trying to figure out how to do something, you're just not quite sure what to do. For example, I want a new row to separate profits and YTD profits, make this stand out a little bit better here by having an empty row below it. So I'm not sure what to do. I'm gonna go to row 7 here. Now, do I go to the Insert tab up here? I'm looking for insert a column, it says column but not row, so you're just not sure what to do. Now, not foolproof but yet very handy is the right mouse button. I'm going to right click on row 7. Now, I'm not sure what this going to give me, but it shows me some commands. It also activates what's called the Mini Toolbar. On the Mini Toolbar we see a lot of buttons that are available on the Home tab. And for the moment on my screen right now the Home tab isn't visible, so it might be handy to use some of these. I don't really want to do formatting right now but at other times I might. The main thrust of the right mouse button is show a shortcut menu. Now what is it I'm trying to do? I need to insert a new row. There's insert, is this a good guess or not? Well, let's try it, maybe if not we can undo it. Insert, that's it. Later I might find out that there is a command on the Home tab out here called Insert, which could allow me to insert cells, or rows, or columns, so perhaps I could have gone there had I known that. But maybe I was more inclined to go to the Insert tab up here in the ribbon because it actually says Insert. So not foolproof as I suggested earlier, but handy and also context sensitive. If I've got some data highlighted here like this and I right click, there's Insert, but it's got 3 dots behind it. What does that mean? Click Insert. This does provide an option for inserting an entire row. It also gives me something else I hadn't thought about, shifting these cells, and only these cells, downward. Now I don't really want to do that here, but possibly I could. The point again is that the right mouse button pares down our list of possible choices, things we might want to do at any given time. So right-clicking a row gives us some choices for insert. Although it doesn't say row as we saw earlier, it allows us to insert a row. But on a different worksheet, the one called 2015 Home Products Revenue, clicking this we might want to add a column. If I right-click column D here, insert here means insert a column even though it doesn't say it. As it turns out, maybe later I don't need that there. How do I get rid of it? I can right-click column D and delete it. Now, if you right-click certain other features, for example a sheet tab at the bottom, if I right-click a sheet tab a totally different set of choices, although we see some of the same words. But here insert means insert a new sheet, delete a sheet, change the tab color. So the right mouse button provides us with context-sensitive help, always providing a shortcut menu. And anytime we can do this. Right-click an icon in the ribbon, and you might have seen this in an earlier movie, we get an option to add that button to the quick access toolbar or jump right into other features as well. So the right mouse button always provides us with a shortcut menu, and when we're working with cells, for example these cells here, highlight those, right-click, I could be using the Mini Toolbar here for formatting features, or possibly use some of the other features that I want to use here. Maybe I just want to highlight those, make them stand out for the moment, make them bold. Or off to the right here I could also change the font like that. Maybe I'll keep it that way for a while, maybe not. But we've got that quick capability to see not only the shortcut menu, but also the Mini Toolbar. Anytime we use the right mouse button we'll see those kinds of menus. Thanks for watching, goodbye.